Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. Thursday morning, today is 1st of December, first day of the last month of 2022, and we have market which is super trending. And I have my daily observations where I feel Nifty range may be between 18,200 to 18,800. More likely this might move towards 19,000 in the coming week, next expiry, and Bank Nifty range may be 42,500 to 43,500. See, the undercurrent of the market is very strong bullish, so all intraday dips are bought aggressively. There is a lot of speculation about market being overbought. Even I feel that the market is overbought, a correction is due, but as of now we have to understand that there is no sign of weakness in market. Okay, so you have to trade what you actually see and not what you believe. The trend, as I said, is very strong here in case of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. The closing was very strong yesterday, and as we can see here, there is no sign of weakness in both these indices as of now. So again, if we go on to Nifty chart, the target for Nifty seems 18,914, and max it can stretch up till 19,053, or let's say somewhere around 19,000. Yeah, so let's calculate this target. Lot many higher lows levels marked. So the recent higher low to higher high level we have is somewhere here. So one of the target of 18,658 is completed, and 19,010 is another target that I'm looking at. So this is one target which can take us to that psychological level of 19,010. Okay, Nifty bullish target. Now when I'm talking about this bullish target of 19,010, this does not necessarily mean that this target will get completed very quick in a jiffy or something like that. If you recollect, the range for the strangle that I'm trading is 19,100 or 19,200 odd level. So if at all we get a close somewhere near 19,000 level, 19,000 mark, that strangle is going to be in danger. Okay, as of now, what I'm looking at here on an hourly chart, that currently my weekly range suggests me a higher level of 18,850. So for next 2 days, we'll be focusing on this 18,850 level. We are pretty much close to this level. So yesterday's closing is around 18,776 or 779. As per this hourly chart, on a daily chart, the settlement happened at 18,758. Now here again, this all-time high level of 18,604 has become a support for market, and market looks so strong that it is not even willing to breach below this low level. So this intraday higher low we have to use carefully, cautiously, and then we don't have to be overly aggressively anticipating the market moves. Okay, so you just take one day at a time how the market is moving. The undercurrent is very strong right now. The broader market is not performing, but at least some of the core ingredients of this particular or core constituents of this particular index, they are performing in a beautiful bullish way. So just make most while this trend is lasting. Here when we look at Nifty, right? So Nifty, as I suggested, the higher level for this particular week, the day, today's day and tomorrow's day, is around 18,850. At this point in time, I believe that I will not look for a short trade for a positional basis, because there is no confirmation of a short trade. In the beginning of this week, I was talking about this looks like a weaker beginning for indices, or this is where the psychologically 18,604 is taken out, and we were looking to find a short opportunity, but that's not happening right now so far. So we have to trade on the basis of what we are seeing, the confirmation. If we get a confirmation, then and only then we have to initiate intraday short trades. And if we are continuing with the uptrend, then you just be in the bullish trades. Things might look little heated up at this moment in time, but that's how market is. Once it has started to move in a secular upwardly direction, it is just moving in that way. As for Bank Nifty, if we see the target for Bank Nifty almost done, 43,280 was our target, and we have closed pretty close to that target. Yesterday we completed around that particular level. Now in this situation, again for Bank Nifty as well, my important higher low level becomes this yesterday's higher low. So this yesterday's higher low, as long as this higher low is protected, I'll just remove this clutter. As long as this low is protected, don't look to short the market. Okay, in this particular market, what we need to understand is that if the trend is active, if the trend is bullish ongoing, then we just have to trade on the basis of those moves. Again, trading in options, little tricky because wicks are at a lower level, lowest level probably. So one may select to choose in futures. If you know your stop loss, if you have a smaller stop loss, you can choose to trade in futures. Again, at this point in time, I will not recommend to carry long trades for Friday. Okay, whatever you need to trade has to be in intraday basis, because market is stretched in one direction, so we cannot really take chances. I would love to miss out on that opportunity if there is some insane gap up what is happening today or maybe tomorrow. I would let it go, right? And you have to accept, you have to trade whatever you can really understand. So at this point in time, there is no point in running behind this particular running train. And if I get an entry with a smaller stop loss, then and then only I am going to enter. So far, my Tata Motors trade is doing really well. I'm seeking a target of 446 as a first target, and 456 will be my second target. This trade was shared yesterday in our daily market observations. So this trade is going well right now so far. Another trade is Divi's Laboratory, and Divi's Laboratory, my target is 3,500. Okay, this is the target. I have set an alert at 3480 or 3475 level. Whenever this level is getting crossed, I will set an aggressive trailing stop loss, and that aggressive trailing stop loss will help us booking our profits on a timely manner. This target, again, imagine we are trading against the major downtrend, right? So you have to be nimble with your profit booking, and as and when, let's say if you get a move of let's say 1% or 2%, that is the ideal time for you to book your profits and move out of this trade. Divi's Laboratory, we are trading on the options, call option buying, and then you just have to ensure that you book your timely profits. Again, similarly in Tata Motors, you can have multiple positions, but book initial trailing stop loss you can keep at a level of around 446. 450 is our expected target, but 446 is the level where you can start putting aggressive trailing stop loss. And if at all you are trading multiple lots, then you can carry few lots to the next target because initially you must have booked some profit. So that profit booking is essential crux in current market. So whenever you see some profit in your trading, book it as per your Fibonacci targets. So that is the simplest I would say tip for the day, and keep your position sizing minimal so that you will not incur major damages. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm signing off. Bye bye.